Hello everyone, Yavnik here. Today I am going to share my experience with the Ek Pehel Training Institute and the fantastic journey. While I always had interest in coding, Ek Pehel provided me with the perfect opportunity to transition into this dynamic world. My mentors Payal ma'am and Urvik sir were the backbone of my journey. Their expertise turned a difficult learning curve into an exciting adventure. The hands-on project allowed me to apply immediately what I have learned, reinforcing the concept and boosting my confidence in real-life scenarios. In a nutshell, my experience at the Ek Pehel Institute was truly outstanding. The institute not only equipped me with the technical skill I needed in web development, but also instilled a problem-solving mindset needed in this ever-changing industry. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Ek Pehel and team for providing me this enriching learning experience. Thank you.